Goes a little something like
How can love you all summer and after I'll keep you all summer and after.
Hey guys, it's me, your writer Ri, and for today's video is we're going to unbox my one of the rare book copy, and that is Voiceless by Have You Seen This Girl? So, first of all, thank you for Ate Aya Melendres for this copy kasi napaka-good condition niya pa nung nakapagpasabay ako ito sa kanya. And I just bought this book for only 130 pesos lang to. Siyempre, di pa kasama yung shipping fee niya na 60 pesos. So, yan. Naghanap talaga ako ng murang copy ng libro na to kasi napaka-rare niya na and sobrang dalang na naman may kita niya sa mga like sa marketplace kapag search niyo to. Like, kulang-kulang yung parts niya or hindi na siya yung first copy. So, I'm so excited na buksan to. And ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng chance since I'm so busy lately. Kaka-decorate itong pader namin. Kinuha ko yung scissor. Let's open up. But before we do that, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. And don't forget also to answer our monthly giveaway questions na makikita nyo lang sa end ng vlogs. So, this book is hindi ko pa nababasa. Ang pinakaalam ko lang na sinulat ni Have You Seen This Girl is yung The Most Painful Battle, Steps to You, yung This Girl, That Girl pala, tapos yung Diary ng Pangit, yung pinaka nag-gusto ako. Tsaka yung She Died. Gusto ko yun kasi may may manga copy ako nun at saka yung complete version niya sa novel version. Meron ako nun. Kaso, di ko makompleto. Wala ko nung part yun nung manga version. Gusto ko sanang basahin ulit siya in manga way. Kaso wala ko masyadong mahanapan. Rare na din. Buti nga nakapag-check out pa ako nun dati. Parang isa sa mga una kong books yun. She Died. Na manga version, guys, One of my first books collection. Yes. Secured na secured. As you can see, hirap pang buksan siya. Let's open it. Masyado niyang dinamihan ng scotch tape. Tapos hindi niya man lang siningil ng packing. Buksan na lang natin guys sa bubble wrap. Diba? Hirap na hirap pa rin akong buksan siya, guys. Again, thanks to Ate Aya for securing my book like this. Kahit sobrang hirap na hirap akong buksan siya. As long as safe yung books. So, yan, punitin na natin since nasimula naman na. Oh. Naglaglagan ng mga freebies ni ate. So, I got so many stickers with me. I love it, stickers. They're my faves. So, yan. Good as new. Parang tinanggalan nga lang siya ng ano eh. Ng tawag dito. Ng plastic na atang cover. Pero all in all, it's in good condition. Love it. May konting dents lang siya like sa mga upper parts, ganun. Pero all in all, goods na siya. Kasi ang tagal na nito. And it's still good na ano pa. Readable pa siya. I'm gonna read this. Yan. So I got the part 1 and part 2. Yan. So rare. Amoy libro. Ina-addict na naman ako. Yan siya. So, I'm so happy that I got my own copy of Voiceless kasi sobrang tagal kong hinanap ko sa marketplace. And buti na lang, buti na lang nakilala ko si Ate Aya. And binenta niya sa akin ng napakamura lang. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Yun lang. Ang ganda niya. And thank you so much for these stickers. Ang dami. Ayan guys. So, ay, sheesh. Lumipad. Yun lang guys. Bye-bye.